In the previous video, you added information about job opportunities to your application spreadsheet. In this video, you will add a column to track the status of each application. You do this with data validation. Data validation is a tool that helps you control what data can be entered in your spreadsheet. Adding data validation creates a drop-down list of items in each cell, so you don't have to type in the same data every time. First, insert a new column and label it Progress. Select a cell or column. Then, insert a column to the right or left. Next, highlight rows in the Progress column. Click the first cell under the header row. Hold the mouse button and drag down the spreadsheet until you've highlighted 15 or 20 rows. Release the mouse. Then, add data validation to these cells. Click Data and Validation. Change the criteria to List of Items. Enter progress levels in the list of items, each separated by a comma. You could enter Have Not Started, In Progress, and Submitted, or use categories of your own. To make it easier to filter the spreadsheet, number the items in the order you will mark them. You can use data validation in other columns too. For example, you could add a column for Response with options like No Response, Scheduled Phone Interview. Or you could add a column for interviews where you select when you're offered a telephone or an in-person interview. Add additional rows, columns, and data validation lists as necessary. Customize your job application spreadsheet to work best for you using the skills you learn here. When you have added data validation to your progress column, move on to the next video to set up an email alert about new job listings. Now, it's your turn. Insert a new column in your application spreadsheet and label it Progress. Select cells in the Progress column. Add data validation to these cells. You can use 1. Have Not Started, 2. In Progress, and 3. Submitted. Or come up with your own labels about the progress of your applications. Customize your application spreadsheet so that it works best for you.